But I thought the guy said he switched the light bulbs. Oh, what? What the fuck was that sound? Did he just like unhinge his jaw and... What the fuck was that? These horror games have just like... Oh, sorry, yeah, we don't swear, that's true. What the hell was that? What? Is that not what normal people do when they eat? We just ate the plastic and everything. And we ate it in front of the microwave with the door still open. This man is a reptile animal. What's going on? That's freaking crazy.